students, today we are going to start effect of substituent on acidic strength of carboxylic acid. In our previous video we will discuss the acidic character of carboxylic acid, and we discuss with the help of dissociation constant. More the value of dissociation constant, stronger will be the acid. Smaller the value of dissociation constant, weaker the acid. And also we discuss the relation between pKa value and dissociation constant. pKa value is equal to minus log of Ka. More the value of pKa, weaker the acid. Smaller the value of pKa, stronger will be the acid. Now we discuss the nature of substituent that affects the stability of carboxylate ion and acidic character of carboxylic acid. So there are two types of substituent which we already learn: electron donating or electron releasing substituent, and second one is electron withdrawing. First we discuss how electron donating group or releasing substituent affects the acidic character of carboxylic acid. So if this is a formic acid and here it is a acetic acid, there is a no alkyl group attached to the carbon atom which gives the electron to the carbon, which increase the electron density on this carbon atom. But in this case this carbon gives the electron to this carbon, so that's why it's a weak tendency of carbon to attract the electron from oxygen to and oxygen from hydrogen atom. But in this case oxygen has maximum tendency to attract the electron from itself, and carbon has maximum tendency to attract the electron from oxygen atom. So in this case this bond is cleavage very easily, but in this case the cleavage of this bond is very difficult. Why? Because it show plus psi effect, because this group is electron donating, which enhance or increase the electron density on this carbon atom. That's why this carbon has less tendency to attract the electron from oxygen towards itself, and oxygen has less tendency to attract the electron from a hydrogen atom. So due to plus psi effect it is a weaker acid as compared to this. Similarly, if we discuss in carboxylate ion, there is a full dispersion of negative charge throughout the oxygen, but here the negative charge dispersal throughout the two oxygen atom is less as compared to formic acid. So there is a more plus psi effect because this carbon alkyl group increase the electron density on this carbon atom, which attain its stability. So maximum acidic character is formic acid as compared to acetic acid, as compared to propanoic acid, as compared to secondary ester, or as compared to tertiary. Next we discuss electron withdrawing substituent. In case of electron withdrawing, acetic acid or formic acid is weaker than chloroacetic acid, because this chlorine atom attract the electron from this carbon, and this carbon attract the electron from this carbon, and this carbon attract the electron from this oxygen, and oxygen take the electron from hydrogen atom. So that's why due to electron withdrawing or electron gaining group attached to the carbon atom, which is attached to the carboxyl group, which decrease the density on carbon atom, and the cleavage of this bond is easily. So that's why the cleavage of OH bond is very easily in this case. So due to electron withdrawing group, the acidic character of carboxylic acid increases. Similarly, the stability of this carboxylate ion, also the acidic strength of this carboxylate ion also increases. Next we discuss the effect of number of halogen atoms. So if one halogen atom, that compound is less acidic as compared to two electron withdrawing group. If three electron withdrawing group attached to the carboxyl carbon, that has more electron acidic character as compared to this. So there are three chlorine atoms attached to this carbon, so it means there are three electron withdrawing group attached to this carbon, and this carbon attract the electron from this carbon at maximum tendency, and this carbon attract the electron from oxygen, and oxygen gain electron from hydrogen atom and easily release H positive. So more the number of halogen atom attached to the carboxyl group carbon atom, that is more acidic as compared to less number of halogen carbon attached to the carboxylic group carbon. So in this case the trichloroacetic acid is more acidic as compared to dichloroacetic acid, as compared to chloroacetic acid, as compared to acetic acid. Next, nature of halogen atom. Fluorine is more electronegative element, so that's why this is fluoroacetic acid is more electronegative as compared to chloroacetic, as compared to bromo, as compared to iodo. Next is position of halogen atom. If electron with the drawing group attached to the next carbon, which is alpha carbon, after functional group, that is more acidic as compared to beta carbon containing electron with the drawing group, as compared to delta carbon containing an electron with the drawing group. So the position if near to the carboxyl group carbon, that is more acidic as compared to beta, as compared to gamma, as compared to delta. Next, effect of type of hybridization of carbon atom of to carboxyl group which is attached. So we know that sp hybridization carbon is more electronegative than sp2 than sp3. So here sp2 configuration so undergo the hyperconjugation or resonance. So due to this, the alkyne group or this propionic acid is more acidic as compared to benzoic acid, as compared to ethanoic acid, as compared to acetic acid. So overall, we sum up: electron with the drawing group increase the acidic character of carboxylic acid, and electron donating group decrease the acidic character or acidic strength of carboxylic acid. Next, we discuss the effect of substituent on acidic character or acidic strength of benzoic acid. So there are two types of group: electron releasing and electron with the drawing group. So if electron releasing group attached to the ring, the benzoic acid is weaker as compared to benzoic acid. If electron with the drawing group attached to the ring, it make a benzoic more acidic than benzoic acid. So nitrobenzoic acid is more acidic as compared to chlorobenzoic acid, as compared to benzoic acid, as compared to methyl benzoic acid, as compared to methoxybenzoic acid, as compared to hydroxybenzoic acid. So the acid weakening effect of electron donating group and acid strengthening the effect acidic character of electron with the drawing group is more at para position than meta position, but para isomer is more acidic than meta isomer. But there is another important point: ortho isomer of every substituted benzoic acid, either electron donating or electron with the drawing group, that is more acidic than para, than meta, than benzoic acid due to ortho effect. Because due to the combined effect of resonance effect, inductive effect and ortho effect, the ortho molecule, either it's electron donating substituent or electron with the drawing substituent, that is more acidic than para, than meta, than benzoic acid. So if electron donating group attach, the para isomer, ortho isomer is more acidic as compared to meta, that is more acidic as compared to benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is more acidic in case of electron donating group with, that is para position electron donating group. Next, we compare the acidic strength of acids, phenols and alcohols. First, we compare carboxylic acid and alcohols. So the carboxylic acid react with water to form a carboxylate ion, and alcohol react with water to form a alkoxide ion. And we know that the carboxylate ion is more resonance stabilized, but there is no resonance in case of alkoxide ion. So that's why the carboxylic acid is more acidic as compared to alcohol. Next, carboxylic acid are more acidic than phenol, because carboxylate ion is more resonance stabilized than phenoxide ion. In case of carboxylate ion, the dispersal of negative charge throughout the two electronegative atoms of oxygen in case of carboxylate ion, but in case of phenoxide ion, there is only one oxygen atom which contain a negative charge. So phenols are less acidic than acids due to negative charge dispersed on two oxygen atoms in carboxylic acid, but in phenol negative charge on only one oxygen atom. So the trifluoroacetic acid is more acidic than trichloroacetic acid as compared to dichloroacetic, as compared to nitroacetic acid, as compared to fluoroacetic acid. Next, action with blue litmus. When we put blue litmus paper in carboxylic acid, it turns to red. It means it is acidic in nature. Reaction with metals. So when carboxylic acid react with metals, alkali metals to form a salt plus hydrogen gas. So it also indicate it is a acidic in nature. So it also react with alkalis to form a salt plus water neutralization reaction. So when react with alkali to form a sodium salts of acetate ion. Similarly, action with carbonate and bicarbonate, when we react two molecules of acetic acid with sodium carbonate or bicarbonate, it will give salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So these are the reactions you mostly discuss and we will discuss in 10th class. So if you guys have any query up to this topic, you can call me or through message you clarify your doubt. Thank you.